Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today we discuss class 9 chemistry. So last class chapter 1 question answer we have discussed. So chapter 1 already are completed. So now we start chapter 2. Matter is matter around us pure. Is matter around us pure? जो मैटर हमारे चारों साइड में है वो सब प्योर है क्या? इसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. बहुत सारे मैटर हमारे चारों साइड में प्रेजेंट है और बहुत सारे मैटर का हम कांटेक्ट में आते हैं डेली. ओके, so now we discuss pure substance. What is pure substance? First we know. Okay, a pure substance consists of single type of particles or single form of metals, जिसमें कि only one kinds of particle present होता है और जो matter only one types of और one kinds of particles में made up of, उसको हम बोलते हैं pure और pure substance. जैसे कि हम लोग डेली यूज करते हैं, सुबह यूज करते हैं मिल्क. ओके, वी आर यूज फॉर ड्रिंकिंग और वी यूज मिल्क, वी ड्रिंक. दिस मिल्क इज ए प्योर सब्सटेंस. Okay, in our minds that consist of question or arises, milk is a pure substance or the butter, ghee, oils, etc. These are used all are pure. जैसे कि हम लोग कोई दुकान में जाते हैं लेने के लिए कि हम लोग को प्योर घी चाहिए, प्योर ऑयल चाहिए. एक्चुअली वो प्योर होता है, देखते हैं वो प्योर है या नहीं. ओके, जैसे कि मिल्क आर वी नो मेड अप ऑफ वाटर. और क्या है इसमें? मिल्क में रहता है कोई फैट और क्या रहता है? प्रोटीन और सम मिनरल्स और विटामिन्स. ओके, ये सब क्या है? मिल्क के अंदर रहता है. हम लोग को डॉक्टर्स बोलते हैं कि मिल्क पीने से हम लोग को प्रोटीन्स मिलता है. उसमें प्रोटीन प्रेजेंस है. मिल्क पीने से हम लोग को क्या होता है? बॉडी का वेट बढ़ता है. तो मिल्क में क्या है? और कुछ बहुत सारा विटामिन भी है, क्योंकि हम लोग को पहले से हम लोअर क्लास में पढ़े हैं कि मिल्क में क्या क्या प्रेजेंस है. सो in this topics we are conclude that milk is not a pure substance. Then what is pure substance? Oil is also some combination of some waters or minerals. That why oil is also not a pure substance. So what is pure substance? Pure substance which are contain or consist of only one kinds of particles. जैसे कि हम लोगों को जो एयर में क्या है? एयर में क्या रहता है? एयर इज ऑल्सो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मेनी गैसेस लाइक हाइड्रोजन, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. So air is also not a pure substance. Then what is pure substance? All the elements are example of pure substance. That is hydrogens, oxygens, nitrogens. Hydrogens means only hydrogen gas. Oxygens means only oxygen gas. Nitrogens means only nitrogen gas. In oxygens, only the particles of oxygens are present. Okay, and on hydrogens only the particles of hydrogen present. For example, iron. In iron only iron particles are present. That's why all these elements are example of what are pure substance. Okay, how many elements are present or how many elements we are to study? 118 elements are we have to study or we have discovered so far, and all these elements are example of pure substance. So the pure substance and or also some compound are also pure. Okay, compound means water. Water is also a compound. Okay, H2O or H2SO4, sulfuric acid is also a pure substance. NaCl, sodium chloride, CuSO4, copper sulfates. All these elements and compounds are examples of what are pure substance. So pure substance mainly divided into two parts. What are elements and compounds? The pure substance are divided into two parts. One are the elements and one are the compound. Okay. So details next part we have to study what is different part of elements and compounds. Okay, in elements are also divided what are mainly we have studied metal, non-metal, and metalloid. Okay. Next topic we are discuss mixer. What is mixers? MIXER मिक्सर्स. मिक्सर्स मीन्स हम लोग जो खाने में यूज करते हैं, सुबह टिफिन में यूज करते हैं मिक्सर्स. वो क्या है होता है, उसमें क्या रहता है, जैसे कि बादाम उसमें रहता है, फली जो रहता है, कुछ दाल का रहता है, ये सब उसमें कॉम्बाइन मिक्स होके होता है. तो वो क्या है मिक्सर्स. ऐसे बहुत सारे मिक्सर्स प्रेजेंट है हमारे डेली लाइफ में, हम यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि फॉर मिक्सर्स में देखने क्या है, वो मिक्सर्स इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मोर देन वन प्योर सब्सटेंस. ओके, जिसमें मोर देन वन प्योर सब्सटेंस का कॉम्बाइन होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं मिक्सर्स. सो इट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ more than one pure substance. Okay. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेमन वाटर. वाटर यू एड लेमन प्लस वाटर और सुगर, वाटर फॉर्म लेमोनेड. So it is also one example of mixers. Air is also a mixer because in air contain nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, and other gas like carbon dioxide. So air is also a mixer. They are the combination of many gases. And another one example are the alloy. ALLOYS. Alloys. What is alloy? Alloy is the mixture of two or more metal or non-metals. Is called alloy. बहुत सारा alloy का जैसे कि हम लोग को डेली लाइफ में यूज करते हैं. ओके, ऐसे यूटेंसिल also use some alloy in earlier time. ओके, बहुत सारा machinery body parts also made up of these alloys. Okay, so these all are the water mixers. So mixers is the water. Mixer is the combination of more than one pure substance, and these mixers are further divided into two types. What are this one? One are the homogeneous mixers and one are the heterogeneous mixers. Okay, homo, first one, homo means same. Or hetero means different. Okay, ये दोनों वर्ड से इसका डेफिनेशन याद रखना. Okay, homo means same. Okay, the mixers whose composition are same and in uniform ratio are called homogeneous mixers, and the mixers whose compositions are different and non-uniform ratio are called heterogeneous mixers. Now we discuss some example of homogeneous mixers and heterogeneous mixers. First one are the homogeneous mixers. Homogeneous mixers, those are uniformly mix their particles are called homogeneous mixers. This is, for example, sodium chloride plus water. Okay, हम जो नमक क्या होता है, वाटर से हम घोलते हैं तो पूरा उसका पार्टिकल्स कम्प्लीटली डिजल्व हो जाता है. हम इसको फिल्टर करेंगे भी क्या होगा, फिल्टर पेपर से वो फिल्टर नहीं होगा. That's why sodium chloride plus water is a homogeneous mixers. Again, one are the alloy. Okay, alloy is also a homogeneous mixer. Air. Okay, air in the fixed ratio in air, water, nitrogen are the 78%, oxygen are the 21%. So their ratio are the fixed. That's why this is come in the homogeneous mixtures. Those are the fixed compositions, then it is called what are homogeneous mixtures. Next are the heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous means non-uniform compositions. For example, mixture of iron filling and sand. Okay, this one are the non-uniform, means their ratio are not fixed. Okay, for example, mixture of sodium chloride plus sand plus iron particles. This is also an example of heterogeneous mixtures because the particles are not uniformly distributed, or we have to easily separate by their physical process in the heterogeneous mixtures. So now we have to discuss what are the difference between, or we have to compare between pure substance and mixtures. This is most important, and question also come the comparison or difference between pure substance and mixtures. What are pure substance? Okay, pure substance, here only one kind of particles are present. Okay, but in mixtures, more than one kind of particle are present. Okay, here uniformly distributed, and the solutions of the substance are uniform composition. Here are the non-uniform composition. Okay. Examples are the all elements, and what are elements, or also some compounds, or all compound. जितने भी compounds है इसके अंदर में आएगा, जितने भी elements है. Okay, and mixers are mainly they are the mixers sand plus NaCl. Okay, and iron plus sand. Okay, these are the two types of one are the homogeneous and one are the heterogeneous mixes. So this is all idea about what are pure substance and mixes. So next part we have to study what about solutions. Okay, thank you.